Bengaluru East City Corporation Commissioner T.S. Ramesh has appealed to citizens and institutions to adopt community dogs within the city limits. The appeal is aimed at improving animal welfare, public health, and urban safety. The Commissioner said the adoption drive follows guidelines issued by the Animal Welfare Board of India. He called upon the general public, resident welfare associations, organizations, and non-governmental groups to participate. According to a 2023 survey, around 59,820 street dogs have been identified within the Bengaluru East City Corporation limits. Another 369 dogs were found within the premises of institutions such as schools, colleges, hospitals, railway stations, bus stands, playgrounds, and other public spaces. Officials said the city corporation is already implementing animal birth control programs, vaccination drives, and veterinary care on a continuous basis. The adoption program, they said, complements these efforts and encourages citizen participation. The commissioner stated that the initiative is intended to provide street dogs with safer living conditions. It is also aimed at controlling the dog population and ensuring peaceful coexistence between humans and animals. Public health and prevention of cruelty to animals are key objectives. Civic authorities said all dogs offered for adoption would undergo health checkups. They would be vaccinated against rabies and other diseases. Sterilization would be carried out under the Animal Birth Control Program. The Commissioner urged animal lovers to step forward. He said adoption would strengthen cooperation between citizens and the local administration. Such efforts, he added, would help build a more responsible and compassionate Bengaluru.